My name is Rob Marshall, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer at Bolivar Medical Center. I've lived in Cleveland over 6 years and have worked in the healthcare industry for over 30. I've experienced a multitude of challenges, but never a pandemic like this. I want to take the time to talk through some of the aspects of this particular illness that we have been faced with this year. I'll be addressing multiple topics throughout a series of videos. The first topic is the spread of the virus. COVID-19 is spread through respiratory droplets that may be passed along through the air when people talk, cough, or sneeze. It may also be spread to your hands by touching a contaminated surface, like a doorknob or a writing pen, and then touching a portal of entry like your eyes, nose, or mouth. Evidence proves masking to be effective in helping prevent the spread of COVID. They prevent droplets that you breathe out of your mouth and nose from traveling into the air and onto other people or surfaces. It's critical to wear the covering completely over your nose and mouth, and extremely important when you are unable to safely social distance. Social distancing may also be called physical distancing, and it means keeping a safe space between yourself and other people who are not from your household. Putting at least 6 feet between you and the other person's droplets will help limit the chance of your contracting the virus. COVID-19 can be spread by the people who do not have symptoms and do not know that they are infected. We call these our super spreaders because they can potentially infect a large number of people without ever knowing it. And that's why it's important for everyone to wear a mask in public settings, as well as practice social distancing. Hand washing is another great way to decrease your chance of getting sick. You always want to wash your hands after you blow your nose, sneeze, or cough, after being in a public place, or before or after caring for someone who is sick. There are lots of scenarios when you should wash your hands, but these are the main ones to help prevent the spread of COVID. And really wash them. You can't just run them under some warm water for a few seconds. Get the soap and scrub. These prevention practices are a great way to help keep you and others safe. Another way is to stay at home when possible and avoid large gatherings where multiple households are interacting. The more people you interact with at a gathering and the longer the interaction lasts, the higher the potential risk of becoming infected with or spreading COVID-19. As we approach the holiday season, we must continue to be cautious in protecting ourselves and others. This is not the year for a big, huge tailgate party or back-to-school bash or whatever it is you might want to plan. I encourage you to engage in these healthy behaviors that help reduce the spread of COVID-19. Wear your mask, social distance yourself, and wash your hands. Thank you for listening and allowing Bolivar Medical Center to serve you. If there are topics or questions that you'd like to see discussed, please email those to the address listed in the video description. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.